I'm Yeswanth Raaj, a class 10 student of PSBB Nagar, and I've done my coaching classes in Akilan Institute. I've scored 95% in the boards and Centum in Maths. The reason for my Centum in Maths was the coaching given by Akilan sir and the numerous tests that he conducted and the revision classes, doubt clarification classes, and the amount of study material that I got helped me. The teachers here for physics, chemistry and biology are exceptionally knowledgeable and well versed with their respective subjects, which helped me score 95% in the boards. This is the only institute where there was coaching not just for maths and science but also social science, English and second language such as Hindi and Tamil. The study materials given here for each and every subject helped us widen our knowledge and personally helped me to score 471 in the boards. The freedom here to switch between online and offline classes, the study atmosphere here and the class recordings helped me to revise each and every concept repeatedly. So overall I thank every one of my teachers and Akilan sir especially for their support and guidance. Thank you Akilan sir.